big problems require you to make important decisions. You need answers to questions you've never faced before. When you find yourself in a life-changing legal situation, one decision can affect your future and the futures of those you love. Don't make those decisions on your own. Count on the Topella and Eberspacher Law Firm to provide you the legal advice and counseling you need.
I'm Bill Topella, a partner with Topella and Eberspacher in Charleston, Illinois. I've been practicing law now for over 20 years, since I graduated from the University of Illinois College of Law back in 1994.
At Topella and Eberspacher, we're not just a law firm. We're trusted advisors who can guide you through disasters that strike without notice and help you plan for the future. We have the experience and the expertise to guide you through the decisions you must make in the face of uncertainty.
The one thing that I tell every attorney and every staff person that we hire on their first day, they have to recognize that everybody that comes through our door is likely dealing with the worst thing that ever happened to them. In the old days, whether it was dealing with a divorce or somebody in their family had been charged with a criminal offense, or somebody had died or been injured in a wreck or by medical malpractice, or even in those circumstances where they're worried about their own death and they're concerned about estate planning, people come to us with real problems and trust us with those problems. And I tell every attorney, I tell every staff person, if we forget that for 1 minute, we're not doing our job for those people.
Over 100 years worth of combined experience have molded the Topella and Eberspacher Law Firm into a unique, compassionate, and driven force to help those in need of personal injury and business or personal estate guidance. Topella and Eberspacher is a friendly, small-town firm that takes pride in helping our clients both big and small.
Lindsay Rakers, one of our attorneys, calls herself a big voice for the little guy. And I kind of love that because of what we do. I can go into a courtroom for a guy that could not otherwise have gotten there, and we can take on the biggest insurance companies, the biggest businesses, and we can put them on a level playing field and get justice for that person.
Our diverse experience includes personal injury, workers' compensation, family law, business and estate planning, and complex medical malpractice and wrongful death litigation. When you're in need of legal guidance, time is not your friend, and uncertainty can make it very difficult to make an informed decision. Finding an attorney who will listen and can meet your specific needs can make all the difference.
Call it a team, call it a family, but we have a group of people that work very well together.
At the Topella and Eberspacher Law Firm, we do things differently. Each Friday, through the collaborative efforts of our diverse team of attorneys, we conduct a weekly case review meeting.
The purpose of that meeting is to bring to bear the diverse experience of this law firm for every client that we have. Everybody is involved, the attorneys all discuss cases, the staff all pitches in when there's a big project or a trial. And so you really get the benefit of the entire team, which is an amazing group of very talented people.
Small town values, big city experience, and a diversity of expertise coupled with a passion to help those who are injured or need legal guidance.
I love what I do. I look forward to coming to this office and doing what I do every single day. And I take very seriously that responsibility, not just to my clients, but also to that system that allows me to protect those clients. I get to wake up every day, go to work, and help people. Who gets to say that?
Experience, personal attention, compassion, communication. The Topella and Eberspacher Law Firm. We're here for you. Call us today to discuss your legal options. We'll get you the advice and justice you deserve.